Pronouncing Bible names like this doesn't have to be difficult. You don't have to stumble or skip over words like this in your personal Bible study time or when you're leading a Bible study or preaching to a congregation. Names like this can roll off your tongue as easily as you say your own name. Let me show you how. But first, let me tell you just a little bit about my background. My name is Steve Webb, and I'm a lifelong Bible student and a professional voice artist. A few years ago, I had the amazing blessing of being able to bring these two parts of my life together when I was commissioned to record the entire Douay-Rheims Bible. Now, in case you're not familiar with the Douay-Rheims, as I was not, it's a very old English translation of the Bible, even older than the King James Version. When I was given this great blessing, I immediately felt a tremendous responsibility to get it right. I love God's Word, and I have a reverence for it. And I wanted my recording to be as accurate as I could humanly make it, including bringing the correct pronunciation to the recording. Before this, I had always done like so many other people do when they see names like this. I would either stumble through it or just skip it altogether. I even once heard a pastor in the pulpit, whenever he came across one of these long Bible names, he'd say, "hard word." At first it was kind of funny, but then it became distracting because I began wondering how those names were supposed to be said instead of thinking about the sermon. That pastor actually did a disservice by not studying how to say the hard words. So when I was given the project of recording the Douay-Rheims Audio Bible, I knew that I wanted to say all the names and places right. I figured it would be easy to find a book that would list all the names and places and their pronunciations, but as it turned out, such a book did not exist for the Douay-Rheims version. So it became clear to me that I was going to have to create my own pronunciation guide for me to use while I was recording. And then it occurred to me that as long as I was doing a pronunciation guide for the Douay-Rheims, I might as well begin to write a book that would be a blessing for everyone who would ever need to know how to pronounce a hard word from the Douay-Rheims Bible. Then I thought, well, why not include every English translation in the book? Not just the Douay-Rheims, but the King James, the NIV, the New American Standard, all of them. Yes, all these Bibles have the same names in them for the most part, but there can be several different spellings of each name. So I compiled every spelling of every name and place in every English translation, and I wrote a very easy-to-use pronunciation guide. Now, my guide doesn't use strange, hard-to-remember symbols that might as well be Egyptian hieroglyphics either. If you can read English, you can use my easy-to-use Bible pronunciation guide. Here's an example. Meher Shalal Hashbaz. No longer will you stumble over difficult words when you're reading for private devotions or in your group Bible study or in front of a congregation. No longer will a pastor need to say hard word when he or she comes across one of these long Bible names. This is also a great resource for homeschoolers. Imagine your child easily learning how to pronounce Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Notice I didn't say Abednego. I think every Bible student, every Bible study teacher, every Sunday school teacher, every homeschool teacher, every lectionary reader, anyone who reads the Bible should have Webb's Easy Bible Names Pronunciation Guide. There are over 7,600 names and places listed. Every name, every place, every spelling in every English Bible translation is included. This book took over 2 years of research, and I want to give you the first chapter, all the names and places that begin with the letter A, free, as a gift. I want you to experience for yourself how easy it is to pronounce every name from Ayler to Azar. That's 966 entries, absolutely free. All you need to do is click on the link next to this video that says "Send my free sample," and you'll get instant access to your copy. Just click the link next to the video and you'll never stumble over a hard word again. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next page.